Hi, myself Shivshankar Reddy and lives in Hyderabad, and I just want to share my experience with Standard Cold Pressed Oil Company. And I am using groundnut oil from Standard Cold Pressed Oil Company since 3 years. The groundnut oil was very nice and authentic taste. If we mix any vegetable or sweets or spices or salads or frying foods, cold pressed groundnut oil is a good source of the antioxidant vitamin E and also helps sugar levels. They are with genuine and zero preservative and not add any flavors or chemicals and smells. It looks like very fresh. I have ordered many times with online and delivery will be very quick, like 1 to 2 days. And it was very good experience with Standard Cold Pressed Oil Company. So I never seen for any other company which makes like a cold pressed oil company with a genuine, and they are getting very source from peanuts and all. Thank you. Bye.